Vietnam's National Assembly is considering a proposal to establish Quang Ninh as a centrally governed city. The move is expected to create new development opportunities and strengthen the locality's role as an economic and investment hub in northern Vietnam.
On the fourth working day of the first extraordinary session of the 16th National Assembly, deputies heard appraisal reports on two proposals, including the establishment of Quang Ninh City.
The proposals to establish Quang Ninh City and Bắc Ninh City have received in-principle approval from the Party Central Committee and the Politburo. The government was tasked with completing the proposals in accordance with the law for submission to the National Assembly. The proposals are completed and comply with legal requirements, making them eligible for consideration and decision by the National Assembly.
With a population of 1.52 million and an area of 6,208 square kilometers, Quang Ninh meets the criteria to become a centrally governed city. In 2025, Quang Ning's total import-export turnover reached approximately $21.6 billion, accounting for 18.1% of trade through border gates between Vietnam and China.
Responding to the expectations of the party's Central Committee, the National Assembly and the government, Quang Ninh will strive to become one of the leading economic centers in northern Vietnam within the Hanoi-Haiphong-Quang Ninh economic triangle. It will also strengthen regional connectivity and expand international cooperation.
In the first 7 months of this year, Quang Ninh attracted more than $1 billion in FDI. This comes as Vietnam shifts towards a more selective approach to next-generation FDI, prioritizing high-technology, low-emission projects, stronger technology transfer, and closer links with domestic businesses.
One of Quang Ning's strengths is its investment and business environment. In recent years, the province had paid particular attention to improving that environment. Previously, the focus was largely on investment volume. At this stage, however, we are moving towards a more selective, quality-based approach, attracting investors with strong potential, particularly in green and clean industries with high added value.
Quang Ninh still has considerable room for growth, supported by its existing strengths in infrastructure, tourism, industry, and border trade. Becoming a centrally governed city is expected to create new development space and provide further momentum to accelerate growth in locality and reinforce its role as a leading economic engine in northern Vietnam.